In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Elementor Pro Form with Zoho CRM. We're going to set up the foundation inside Zoho Flow, which is the automation hub that connects your Elementor Pro Forms to Zoho CRM without custom code. Think of Zoho Flow as the bridge. Your form submits data on your website, and Zoho Flow carries that data into your CRM exactly where you need it. Before we begin, it helps to have an active Zoho account with access to Zoho Flow and Elementor Pro installed on your WordPress site. Make sure you're logged into the correct Zoho organization and that you know which workspace you typically use in Zoho Flow. If you work with a team, confirm you have the right permissions to view and use apps in your Flow workspace. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zoho Flow. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard or your default workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check the one you're in, because available apps and existing flows can be workspace specific. It's a small detail that avoids confusion later, especially if your organization separates testing and production environments. Once you're in Zoho Flow, head to the area where all available connectors live. This is often labeled Apps or App, depending on your view. If you don't immediately see it, switch into a flow editing view or open any existing flow. The Apps panel typically appears on the left side. This panel is your library of integrations, and it's where you'll locate both Elementor Pro and Zoho CRM when you're building or editing automations. From there, use the search bar in the Apps section and type Elementor Pro. Give it a moment to load results. Look for the official Elementor Pro or Elementor Forms connector. The naming can vary slightly, but you want the connector that supports receiving form submissions from your Elementor built forms. If nothing appears, check your spelling, try just Elementor, and make sure your Zoho region and workspace have access to the connector. If it's still not visible, your admin may need to enable it, or your plan might not include that app in Zoho Flow. At this point, you've successfully navigated to Zoho Flow, opened the apps area, and found Elementor Pro in the catalog. That's the groundwork you need before tying your website form data into Zoho CRM. As you prepare to continue, a few tips will save time. Name your form fields clearly in Elementor so they're easy to recognize later. Decide which Zoho CRM module you want to target, and keep a single test form entry ready for verification. With this foundation set, you're ready to continue the integration journey confidently.